Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
जे सही हॉस्पिटल जे हा एक साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल, सुपर स्पेशालिटी हॉस्पिटल, त्याचबरोबर आमचे कुरचोरेचे हॉस्पिटल बाब निलेश कबरालान जे फुडें काडला ते बांदला ते, आणि त्याचबरोबर कणसवलीचे हॉस्पिटल, चिकालीचे हॉस्पिटल आणि एक हॉस्पिटल आमचे तुवेंचे हॉस्पिटल हे फास्ट ट्रॅकर कशें आमकां कंप्लीट करूंक जाय आनी गोंयचे जनतेक कशें डेडिकेट करप. नाबार्डा कडल्यान बी आमी मागले टू फिनिश द ऑन गोईंग प्रोजेक्ट्स. We are also in talks. We want super specialty to be certain facilities like gastroenterology and other things. We have got doctors here, but we get the top expertise from Bombay and other places so that they are able to help in running one floor of that particular hospital. Target आम्ही केल्या की by June, July, August, September all these 6 hospitals will be commissioned. Hospital आता आमचे डिसिजन झाला सीएमचे आमचे की आम्ही थंय कार्डियक फॅसिलिटी घालतलेच. म्हणजे साऊथ गोवा ज्या तरेचो कॅथ लॅब हांगा आहा त्या तरेचो एक वेगळ्या तरेचे कॅथ लॅब आमी त्याच तरेचे स्टँडर्डाचो कॅथ लॅब आमी साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान आमी कमिशन करतले. कसलोय मॉडल आसून ती गोंयचे जनतेची हितान DDSSYच्या माध्यमांतल्यान जे कितें पेमेंट करूंक जाय लोकांक ते फ्री ट्रिटमेंट दिवंक जाय ते खंय डिस्टर्ब जावचें ना त्या तरेची फॅसिलिटी बेगिना बेगीन जाग्यार घालपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. आय वील डिस्कस वीथ वी हॅव बीन डिस्कसींग वीथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर अँड ऑल्सो वी हॅव टू एनालायज एज टू if this trend continues in Maharashtra, then we'll also have to become strict as far as Goa as a state is concerned, and we have to be very practical, not like what Maharashtra did to Goa. Maharashtra suddenly asked for COVID tests from everybody coming inside Goa while we never asked. So let's watch for the next 4-5 days.
Lockdown can be a possibility.
No. The lockdown is the thing of the past. The lockdown means the way the lockdown was then, when the spike was so high, was different. Now it is like localized. We are finding these things. So let us see how the way goes. So we have to act appropriately.